Hello everyone, welcome to forceGalaxy. So in the previous video, if you remember, I have disclosed about the Salesforce training, the training now which forceGalaxy will going to provide you related to admin, related to development, and then the complete training of 5th month, that is the Salesforce admin and the development, where real-time projects will also be included, right? So if you still have not gone through the program, you can check out the website link is provided in the comment section. Now, the next thing I want to inform you, from today we'll be starting with our development training batch. If anyone interested who wants to join the development training can join the demo class, which will be free for all today and tomorrow. Two classes are demo classes which will be free for all. Anyone can join who is interested in the development training only. So today at 5 p.m. class will start. I will be sharing the link in comment section. So this is the website link only. From the website link you have to go to the development training. From there only you will get an option to join the live stream, right? So anyone who is interested in the development training can join same. If you have any queries or any questions, do let me know. Thank you.